Mādhvendra Purī was a highly advanced devotee of Lord Krishna. While living in Vrindavan, absorbed in remembering the pastimes of the Lord, he saw Krishna appear in a dream and tell him that he had been buried for a long time in a jungle nearby. Krishna wanted Madhvendra Puri to dig him up. Following the Lord's instructions with the help of the local people, Madhvendra Puri discovered a deity of Krishna named Gopal. Madhvendra Puri built a temple for Gopal and served him for 2 years. Then again, one night, Gopal appeared to him in a dream and asked him to go to Odisha to get sandalwood to smear on his body. Madhvendra Puri stopped at the Gopīnātha temple in Remuna on the way to Odisha. He asked the priest what food was offered to Gopīnātha, thinking he could offer the same preparation to his deity Gopal. The priest mentioned the condensed milk known as Amrit Keli, which was famous because its taste was nectarian. That evening, while the priest made an offering to the Lord, Madhvendra Puri thought that if the priest were to offer him some of the condensed milk, he could taste it and then be able to prepare it for Gopal. He then at once became ashamed for thinking of tasting the Lord's food during offering. Feeling he had committed a great offense, he left the temple and went to a vacant marketplace to chant the names of the Lord. Later that night, the Gopinath deity appeared in a dream to the priest and told him he had hidden a pot of condensed milk behind his cloth. Gopinath told the priest to deliver the condensed milk to a saintly person named Madhvendra Puri. The priest did as told. Madhvendra Puri felt ecstasy to learn that the Lord had stolen condensed milk for him. After drinking the milk, Madhvendra Puri kept the pot and every day he would eat a little from it.